making a set of cup and saucer. I have my rolling pin, I have my scales, I have my slab on a piece of cloth. I'll be taking a lump of clay, dip my finger in the water, pierce a hole inside. I put my thumb inside and using my fingers, I'll be basically pinching the clay. I'll be keeping this lump aside, and this is a pinch pot that I'd already made earlier. So we'll be texturing this pinch pot. Before we do that, we'll attach the handle. I'll be taking a blade and scratching the part where the handle will be attached. I'll be taking a length for my handle. I'll give it some more character to the handle, and I'll just be so I can hold it better. This is basically like clay with a lot of water, which I'm going to be using as glue. This is basically a bowl I want to take for my circular shape. Now cutting the slab in the same form. I have my form for the saucer ready. I'll place my saucer and just give it some more character. This is the point where I can add textures to my piece and give it more character. I can use some carving tools to carve out some clay. My cup has dried a little. I can add similar textures to my cups. So my next step, what I need to do is I just need to do some finishing on the edges. So I have my sponge and my water bowl, and I'll just be putting a dry sponge on it so that my edges are more smoother. So my cup and saucer set is ready. This needs to be fired and glazed, and then I can basically use this for tea and biscuits.